Lust is one of the strongest human passions, often associated with uncontrolled sexual desire. It is a natural part of our psyche, but its excess can lead to negative consequences in a person's life. Many philosophers, psychologists, and spiritual mentors have spoken of lust as a force that can disrupt inner harmony, damage social connections, and even cause moral downfall. Lust can affect various areas of life, from relationships to self-realization. For example, in relationships, it often leads to the objectification of a partner. Instead of valuing the person's individuality, one focuses solely on physical aspects, weakening the emotional bond. This can breed distrust, jealousy, and, in some cases, infidelity. Such a scenario becomes particularly relevant when lust turns into dependence on fleeting pleasures, leaving feelings of emptiness and dissatisfaction behind. In psychological terms, lust can create serious inner conflicts. A person often finds themselves trapped between their desires and societal or moral norms. This leads to shame, guilt, and sometimes even depression. Moreover, the pursuit of instant gratification can replace deeper, long-lasting joys that come from achieving goals, building strong relationships, or spiritual growth. In today's world, lust is fueled by numerous temptations surrounding us. Advertisements, movies, and social media glorify the body and sexuality. This can distort perceptions of relationships and self-esteem. People begin to evaluate themselves and others solely through the lens of physical attractiveness, forgetting values like kindness, intellect, and mutual respect. But how can one combat this powerful force? First and foremost, it's crucial to understand its nature. Lust itself is not inherently evil, but its excess and lack of control can have a destructive impact. Therefore, working on self-awareness and discipline is essential. Practices like meditation or prayer can help better understand and manage emotions. Instead of succumbing to desires, one can learn to observe them from the outside, gradually weakening their influence. Physical activities such as sports or yoga are also effective ways to overcome excessive lust, as they help transform the energy of desires into productive actions. Building healthy relationships plays a crucial role as well. When surrounded by supportive people who share similar moral values, it becomes easier to resist temptations. Interacting with like-minded individuals who prioritize inner depth over physical attraction helps overcome the isolation often accompanying lust. Moreover, developing the ability to derive pleasure from other aspects of life is important. This could include creativity, learning, helping others, or even simple walks in nature. When a person fills their life with meaning, they become less vulnerable to fleeting pleasures. Lust can be both a powerful driving force and a source of downfall. It all depends on how we manage it. It's important to remember that our desires do not entirely define us, and we are capable of controlling them to live harmoniously and build our lives on deeper and more enduring values. Thank you for watching.